Hello, viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I welcome you all to my lovely subscribers and to my other viewers who have not subscribed to my channel. So, I welcome you all. So, guys, we'll be having fenugreek and red onion. So, you guys should not be confused. I made a two video on the same day. So she was still putting on the same clothes, but this video, it is not the same video with the onion and the aloe vera. So just as she was putting on the same clothes. So today we'll be having fenugreek. So the other one I made it in the evening. Why this one? I made this one in the morning. So I'm supposed to be posting this. So I made this one in the morning. Why I allowed the ingredients to settle down. So I have to wash it out and make the white onion and the aloe vera in the evening. So guys, we'll be making fenugreek and so guys, please do not copy my pattern, you understand? So the reason why I actually made this two video at a go is because my viewers, or maybe it's been a long time I posted, so I just want to have two videos at a day. So guys, do not copy this pattern. You have to let your ingredient to settle down before, maybe after a week you have to apply another ingredient on your hair again. So this is my fenugreek. You can see the way I'm pounding it. So fenugreek is a hard seed. It's very, very hard seed, but I still know how to handle it with my mortar. So guys, you can see the way I'm pounding it. If you have a blender, please go ahead and use your blender to blend it so that it's going to be very easy for you. But for me, I'm using my mortar. This is my production mortar. That is why I'm using it. Guys, if you know you are a patient, you are having a lot of hair fall, your hair is not really growing well, your hair is breaking, you are having a tiny hair, fenugreek is going to solve the problem that you need. That fenugreek is going to solve that your hair problem. Fenugreek is going to give you that solution that your hair really needs, because fenugreek seed are naturally a nutrient dense remedy that improves scalp health and strengthening hair roots. Fenugreek promotes hair growth. For the nicotinic acid and vitamin B3 and protein that is in fenugreek improves blood circulation to the scalp, bringing essential oxygen and nutrient to the hair follicles. Fenugreek reduces hair fall because it contains saponins that will naturally interact with GHT, which is dehydrotestosterone, that triggers the hormone to reduce hair loss, and this can also stop hair thinning. Like I told you guys, so fenugreek will stop your patient. You have a tiny hair, you it look as if you are eating, maybe, or you're not really eating a good healthy food, your hair is so tiny. Fenugreek is going to solve that problem your hair needs. Also, fenugreek can also reduce your hair shedding, unnecessary hair shedding. When combing your hair, you find your hair shedding excessively, so fenugreek is going to solve that problem. Also, fenugreek can also fight dandruff and scalp issues. The saponin and the saponin in it is so powerful. So it has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can suit scalp irritation such as itchiness and dandruff. So fenugreek is going to, you can see that fenugreek is a very powerful grain, so it's going to solve that your hair problem. Fenugreek is not just, it's just a hair care routine, so it's so powerful. It's so powerful. By applying adding a fenugreek in your hair care routine, you will notice that your hair is the strands of your hair is changing, is coming up, is doubling up. By the time you start applying fenugreek on your hair, you see that your the strands of your hair is 2 times or 3 times thicker. So fenugreek can also offer a deep conditioning and detangle because it is highly mucilaginous and release lecithin. Um, so it releases lecithin when soaked. So when really what I mean is that this fenugreek, it has a compound so it has that drawing effect. So it can help to detangle your hair. So we have so many ways of using this fenugreek. Like you can see, after pounding this now, you can see that it's going to be rising up. So it's going to rise up, and it has this slippery effects. So when you apply fenugreek on your hair before combing your hair, so it's going to be helping your hair to detangle. So your hair is going to be free in combing. So the hair is going to be sliding on the combing instead of getting too stiff or breaking. So your hair is not going to be breaking. So by the time you start applying fenugreek on your hair, if you are using a fenugreek as a leave-in conditioner on your hair, you will see that your hair is free in combing, like when you did not apply anything on your hair. When you soak fenugreek and apply it on your hair, so it's going to be acting as a natural emollient that adds shine and provides slippery and makes your hair much easier to detangle. Fenugreek can also repair your hair damage. So if you are a patient, like I told you earlier, that fenugreek does a lot of things. So if you have your hair damaged, you understand, from your scalp, or you also have your scalp is infected, or your hair is not really growing well, fenugreek is going to solve that problem that you need. So the keratin and the protein in fenugreek is all you need to solve all your hair damage or your hair problem. So the high protein the high protein content in fenugreek help to fortify weakened strands and fill in gap in the hair follicles or cuticles, anyone. So guys, you can see after soaking this fenugreek, you can see that it has already high. So it has doubled up. So unlike when it was like powdered. So when I just added a little water, I can see the thing, it starts swelling up, and it has a gummy effect. That gummy, sleepy effect. You understand that it's going to be helping to detangle your hair. So you can see what I do. Hope you are following it. Please do not skip this video so you get everything that I just did in this video, so you won't be mixing out. So because of that gumming effect, so I wasn't able to extract all the nutrients in it. So what I just did is that, so you notice that I just added water. Okay, yeah, I add the water that the one I used to soak it. It wasn't enough, so I just added a little bit water, so to strain out the all the nutrients in it. So I'm going to as in I'm going to be straining it all over like 3 times or 4 times, so that I'll be getting all the nutrients in it. So I'll be just be left out with just nothing but chaff. So make sure I strain everything to extract all the nutrients. So guys, I went ahead to proceed with my onion. So after pounding my onions, like I told you guys, if you have a blender, you can go ahead and use your blender to make it so fast for you. So it is not must that you follow my procedure. You just use the mortar that I just used. So mortar isn't fast. So if you have a blender, you can use your blender to fasten it up. So what I did is just to use my onion juice. So guys, I just added a little bit water because I didn't use a blender. I didn't mean I used a blender. So after blending, I would have get a lot of onion juice because I didn't get plenty juice. So what I did is just to add a little water so that I'll be I'll, I'll be extracting the remaining the water that is left with the chaff. So you can see the way I just did it. So it will be enough when I'm applying it on my daughter's hair. So here I am left with only chaff. So the chaff is so many. Had it been I use a blender to blend it, so I wouldn't be left with so much chaff like this. So this is my onion and fenugreek juice here. So I'm going to strain it again for the last time. So I'm going to strain it so that I won't be there won't be particles dropping on my daughter's hair. So that is the reason you can see there is still particles there. So after this, I'm still going to be straining it again. So if you have a cloth like or a hanky, I think hanky is going to be the best for the final straining. So if you have a hanky, I look for my, I didn't see it, so I say let me just manage this one I have. So hanky is going to do the final finish. It's going to give you the perfect finishing. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be using this as a hairspray like I told you guys. So this is just a hairspray. So in my next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to use fenugreek and aloe vera for detangling your hair. So guys, I won't be explaining onion like almost my video. I explain what's the benefit of onion, so you guys should know what onions does to the hair. So onions play a fantastic role in hair routine. It's strengthening your hair strands. So onion strengthening the hair strands and strengthening the follicles. Guys, I'll be stopping here. This is the end of this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to push this video to other people are interested to watch them. I love you all. Bye bye.